potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Southwestern Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, the city of Manassas Park in Northern Virginia, Central Prince William County in Northern Virginia, the city of Manassas in Northern Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bull Run, or near Centerville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Centerville, Lake Ridge, Burke, Lytton Hall, Bull Run, Manassas, Sutter Lake, Manassas Park, Fairfax Station, and Clifton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the 1 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Friday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows in the mid-60s. Camp Springs, Rosaryville, Marlton, Dunkirk. Tuesday, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Morton or near Cumberland, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Twinstone, Little Ormond, Allegra, Thompson Center, and Pleasant Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous clouds surround likely while occurring with this storm. Will influence immediately. Lightning is one of nature's raging killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, run those steps to be struck by lightning. This is the NOAA weather radar. Lows in the upper 50s. Friday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s. Saturday, partly cloudy. Point. The temperature. Lows around now. Sunday, showers. Lows in the upper 50s. Precipitation from Sandy Point to North Central Maryland, Northern Virginia. Third station, Eastern Maine, until 7:15 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles west of Chesapeake Beach, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. The warning has weakened. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Naps Narrows Bridge, Herring Bay, Tillman Island, Black Point, Ponce of 160 Side, North Beach, Chesapeake Beach, hazardous weather passes. The severe thunderstorm warning for the warning has hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Love Point, Pinehurst, Magothy River, Sandy Point State Park, Gibson Island, Baltimore Light, and Rock Hall. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The severe thunder midnight. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 7 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles west of Occoquan Bay to 10 nautical miles west of Leesylvania State Park to 6 nautical miles west of Quantico, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft at Southeast River, eastern Bay, until 7:15 p.m. At 5:44 p.m. Small National Harbor, Quantico, Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Dunstan Hall, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Indian Head, Key Bridge, Occoquan Bay, Fort Hunt, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Washington metro area and the surrounding listening area. Rest of this afternoon, numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds and large hail. Highs southwest wind 5 to thunderstorm warning for northeastern Stafford County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, southeastern Prince William County in northern Virginia, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Bull Run to near Dale City to near Dumfries to 6 miles north of Stafford, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles.